My name is Umesh Soman and I'm a Master Trainer of NLP. I've been doing a lot of workshops across so many years now, whether at the practitioner level or at the Master Practitioner level or at the Trainer's Training of NLP. I right now just finished attending the Excel as a Corporate Trainer and NLP Trainer's Training workshop by Dr. Doris and Gregory Green. I was amazed. This Trainer's Training is so different from so many other workshops that I've attended before. There's the amazing Society of NLP methodology, which has a lot of depth. It has a lot to learn for anybody who's really serious about learning NLP. And then there are workshops which are super serious, there are workshops which are only fun. Here I find amazing balance between fun and seriousness, depth and innovation. So think about things like theatre improv. Nobody includes that. That's so necessary in a world where attention spans are so low. So if you really want to add a lot of skills to yourself as an NLP practitioner, master practitioner or as a trainer, I suggest you attend this workshop with Dr. Doris and Gregory Green, or maybe even me. See you at that workshop. Wish you all the best.